Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and we're going to take a look at the Botanical Dreams Oracle. This is a new deck at the time of recording. This is not available in the UK yet. I think it's expected around about April 2025, but it's a deck for 2025. It'll obviously be out in the States much sooner. So it's a US Games deck. Nice box. And Katrin Wellstein and Lynn Orijo. I'm so sorry, I never pronounce their names particularly well. Katrin's done the Mystical Moments deck. So the beginning of this, and it's an oracle deck. So this is by Lynn, and she says, welcome to the Garden of Wisdom. It was Katrin's use of botanical elements in both her Mystical Moments decks and my own interest in the language of flowers that inspired me to create this Botanical Dreams deck that takes us further into the gardens of our imagination. There's 56 cards. The first steps in gleaning self-knowledge, insight and observation through transformation, and finally enlightenment, much like in the tarot. It is therefore suggested that before shuffling the deck, you walk yourself through the cards in their original order and observe the blossoming of the wisdom being offered to you. She does suggest that you do 2 cards. Then you have the cards. Beautiful little booklet. Message here. And then the meaning of the cards. I'll take a random card. I'll do a card pull at the end of the video. Okay, so you've got also a suggested spread. So that's the booklet that comes with it. There's the box. Pop it to one side and let's have a look at these gorgeous decks. It's got a bit of an Art Deco type back feel there. I do love her work, I must admit, so I'm probably going to be quite quiet as I'm looking through. Oh, look at this already. I love how she does this. I must admit, I'm a huge fan of the mystical decks. Katrin's work is gorgeous. Self-acceptance. Oh, look. As I said, I'll do a random card pull at the end, and then you can see how they work. Sorry, there was a bit too much light on that then. Feels like this, doesn't it, when you're sleeping in lavender? The Ferryman. The Lady in Red. Oh, aren't they lovely? Wallflower. For a good self-development deck, this is wonderful. For reflections, you know, pull a card a day and it will tell you what to focus on for the day ahead or what may come. You give them a little shuffle in the morning. Keep them in your kitchen or wherever it is you make a cuppa in the morning. And then you will, oh, look at that. And then you will pull a card for the day ahead. And then in the evening, you can reflect upon how that's transpired during the day. It's a really good way to get to know the deck. If you have the patience, of course, because you've got how many? 56 days. To get to know the deck, but it's a really, really good way to do it. And these, I always say as well, an oracle helps you develop your intuition. And actually 2025 is the year that there's a lot going on astrologically, and many believe that our subconscious is going to become, we're going to become more aware of what we don't know, if you know what I mean. The subconscious mind is going to open up slightly. So the psychic development skills, psychic skills, all that sort of thing that we hold within it's our ability within all of us, is going to become more prevalent. Your intuition will guide you. You'll become more intuitive. Is that possibly the best way to have said that? I talk more about that in my annual readings. These are absolutely divine. Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to randomly pull a card and we're going to take a reading. And this is for you or for me, I don't know. Let's just go. 1, 2, 3. Right, okay. Wallflower, number 17. And then you'll take the book. Find number 17. Right, the way we picture ourselves is not always the way others see us. It is important to remember that what others think of us is not any of our concern, nor should we try to influence their opinion or shift their viewpoint. For they have only a small snapshot of who you really are. You're many things to different people. And remember that you are a work in progress, constantly evolving and changing. You are no longer the wallflower you once were. You are now a woman of great depth and dimension. And tomorrow you will be even wiser and more wonderful. Keep reaching for greatness and its many manifestations. What a lovely positive message to end the video on. Okay, so that's it. They are called the Botanical Dreams Oracle. And as I said, they're not available in my store at the moment. They will be, obviously, when they come out in the UK. You can buy them from me then. And if you're a customer, I'll let you know when they're here. Or you can buy them on Amazon. Okay, you obviously know why I said them. Okay, thanks very much for your time, and I hope you've enjoyed that. Bye-bye.